fox! The fox is here! I had that on my table the other day. We're going to the boat launch. You sure it's bright enough? I think so. I think you need more lights. I'm blinded. Oh, there we go. Hey, here it goes. Where's Santa Claus? He's on holidays. Sure you can. Go by. Yeah. Hey, your trailer has no light. It's illegal. Illegal trailer. I'm at the rear again. I'm gonna have to work my way through the front. Yeah, I know I was. She was going, what is that? What is that? What is that? There you go. His bumper's so low to the ground, he's got to lift it up. Now we're on the boardwalk. Sound modules going and everything. Oh, I caught up to the Jeep. Oh, somebody fell over. No hands of God. Darn, he's not listening. That's 5 points. Use the hand of God. Oh, he's over the hand of God. Boardwalk. And we have trucks, we have trucks, we have more trucks. More trucks, more trucks. Hey, we're at the marina. You can let go of your boat now. There's the fox. Everybody's slowing down. There's traffic now. We got a traffic jam. Must be cops around somewhere. Look at this guy. He pulled over. Hey, buddy, what'd you pull over for? I think he lit himself with smoke. Ah, smoking and driving at the same time. Here we go. The fox is on the roof. Just the wheelie bar didn't work. Hey, let's go, fox! You got wet on there right now. You're running wet. 3S, 4S? 4S again. Oh, backflip.
Like, that's the difference of pulling it this much and that much.
Oh, yeah.
It's so...
Well, there's a lot of power there. guys are trying to fix a truck.
Busted servo horn.
Oh, busted servo on balls. No, Paul, they do make those in metal. One guy holding the light, one guy holding the truck. Or the mechanic's fixing it. Nice sky, sun is setting way over there. No moon tonight. No moon tonight. No werewolves. Nice and dark over that way. Hey, that's where I live. Down that way. You know, I know a guy at Great Hobbies. He can come and fix this.
Have a chat with Buddy at Great Hobbies today.
Be careful what you're saying. The video's running.
Tyler's a good dude. He is.
Yeah, I know.
And here's my ring clear.
Full clearance. It's almost like it was supposed to be there.
Boy, she's touchy because that's one long servo horn, I'll tell you.
Nobody else has repair. You took all the time allotted for repairs.
And all the parts, yeah. I hope no one needs servo horns.
Okay, we're going back. Lots of TRX4s. Oh, here comes the guy with the radio again. There goes another strike. Oh, what is this? Round and round we go. See if we can do a head-on accident there. We're going round and round. Still some people coming, but I'm doing the roundabout. We went over there just to turn around. Well, you know, it's follow the leader here. I put mine in low gear.
Cody's got to ask why there's no lights.
Yeah, your trailer has no lights.
No lights on your truck.
Well, I think I'm running between two trucks.
MTO is going to pull you home with no trailer lights.
No, if you do a little box like we're doing right now, you know, a convoy.
We're getting at the bridge again. I see the trucks, not you guys. The bouncy bridge. There we go, we're full white. Sorry, okay, now I'm driving. I'm filming and driving. Okay, go. We got ourselves a convoy.